Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews of the latest and greatest products. Today, we have something that's absolutely essential for those snowy winter days: the EZ Smart Snow Roof Rake. This isn't just any snow rake, it's the best roof rake for snow removal available on the market. Stick around, and we'll tell you why. Now, before we dive into the details, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our reviews of fantastic products like this one. Okay, let's get started. The EZ Smart Snow Roof Rake is a game changer for anyone dealing with snow buildup on their roof. It's not just about convenience, it's about protecting your home from costly damage and ice dams. This roof rake comes equipped with a 36-inch adjustable blade and a 21-foot reach pole, making it a powerful tool for snow removal. Here are some of the standout features that make the EZ Smart Snow Roof Rake the best in its class. This roof rake boasts the largest snow removal blade on the market, allowing you to clear more snow in a single pass, saving you time and keeping you safe from the cold. The heavy-duty polyethylene blade and high-strength extension pole ensure this tool is built to last. No more replacing rakes that break under pressure, even in extreme cold conditions. Dealing with roof obstacles like vents or pipe jacks? No problem. The V-blade design lets you easily adjust the blade's length to effectively contain and control snow removal. The package includes a lightweight, high-strength collapsible pole with a patented clip design for quick and secure assembly. It has a standard Acme thread, allowing you to connect other attachments for versatile year-round use. Don't clutter your space with bulky tools. The 36-inch snow roof rake and 16-foot extension pole fit neatly into the included mesh carrying bag, which is only 23 inches long when broken down. So, why do we consider the EZ Smart Snow Roof Rake the best in the business? Well, it's all about the combination of its exceptional features. With the 36-inch blade, it can capture an incredible amount of snow, and the V-blade design lets you tackle obstacles with ease. Plus, its durability means you won't have to replace it anytime soon. As we mentioned earlier, this roof rake is incredibly easy to use, and the patented compact design makes it a breeze to store. No need to disassemble your snow rake or take up valuable storage space. Just pack it into the mesh carrying bag and set it aside for the next season. In conclusion, the EZ Smart Snow Roof Rake is a must-have for anyone living in snowy regions. It's efficient, durable, and designed with your convenience and safety in mind. Whether you're a homeowner or a professional, this roof rake is a game changer. That wraps up our review of the EZ Smart Snow Roof Rake, the best roof rake for snow on the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, leave your comments and questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.